It's not scripted. So, okay, my friend, she worked on the production team for Splitsvilla for this season. And she was gone for like 2 months filming for Splits and stuff. Very cool experience for her. But I got a lot of tea from her.
Hi, I'm Kanchi.
And I'm Ria.
And you're officially part of the Slumber Party Squad.
So, welcome back to the Spoke Too Soon pod.
Because we love you, here we have Binge Watch Part 2. Yes! We took 15 minutes to get an intro for this episode.
More than 15 minutes. By the time we ordered coffee, the coffee reached also, and we still had not thought of a rhyme.
It's our second episode where we spoke about all the shows we love.
Yes.
And all the English shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, what we binge on and all.
And now this time we are doing like a Bollywood edition. Not just Bollywood, any Hindi shows, TV, everything we are going to be talking about.
Yeah. Last
Our
time we
roots.
couldn't. We didn't have time.
Yeah, we have too many things to talk about.
Yes.
And I think we really want to talk about like Gossip Girl and stuff, which of
In
course
detail.
we did, yeah. And by the way, before we get into this whole Bollywood thing, I just need to share this information. Kanchi is watching Grey's Anatomy after 3 years of convincing her, I think. I don't know how
But
long I've
I am
convinced you.
so happy I'm watching it.
I'm so happy you're watching it also.
I can't get off it. Like, I'm obsessed. The show has consumed me. Like, I am Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah.
is me. And I'm getting all the references now.
Yeah.
My feed is filled. I'm getting all the like theories and what is happening.
And you know, every time, like, I would tell you to watch it, you would always tell me that who will watch so many seasons. Girl has watched 7 seasons of Grey's. Crazy.
Yeah.
I can't believe you're
But
watching
you know,
it.
it's very different watching a show when it's already over.
Yes.
Like long ago, and like you are watching it for the first time.
Yeah.
Like I think it's a very different. Like we both have seen it with a different mindset. I feel.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think also, like, there's some satisfaction in knowing that all the seasons are out and you can just keep watching.
Yes.
Like, there's
And,
no stopping.
I don't have to wait. Like I'm like all ready.
Yeah. Like, I'm watching Bridgerton at the moment
Hmm.
and I'm so pissed because only
You have to
4
wait.
episodes are out. And why do they do that? Like, why would you release few episodes and then just ghost us for like a month and then
Yeah.
release 4 more? I don't like that
Hmm.
vibe.
Okay.
Love Grey's for this.
Yes. Now that we've gotten that out of the picture, let's talk
Guys,
about.
1 minute, Kanchi sending me Grey's memes and all. Let's get into the episode.
Hmm.
So we thought we would start with
Yeah.
something pretty basic because I think when it comes to Bollywood, we have too many recommendations.
Yeah, like a lot.
we
For
can
every
keep talking.
mood. Yeah.
For every mood, there's a movie and a show. So we are going to share 3 of our Bollywood classic must watches. Like,
Maybe not a classic movie, but
yeah,
just three
like a
of
must
our
watch.
favorites that maybe like we would watch again and again, and you should
Yes.
watch if you've not.
Yeah. Like if someone has never seen a Bollywood movie, this is the movie. These are the movies they should watch.
Okay, girl.
Right. Okay, can't you start?
So my first movie is obviously going to be an Alia Bhatt movie, which is Highway. Oh my god. The way I am obsessed with that movie. And in fact, I was very young when this movie came out. Like maybe we were like 13 or something. And that time I didn't understand it properly. I just saw it because I was an Alia Bhatt fan. But when I watched it over and over and over again, I noticed so many new things, and it's actually so good. Like I don't think she's acted so well in any movie of hers up till now, even though she has had like crazy movies. But Highway is like top
And
tier.
she was really young in that, right?
She was very young. She was like 19 or 20.
Because I remember I watched it recently and she actually looks like a baby.
Yeah, she does. Like
Yeah.
the baby fat and all is yet
Yeah.
there. What I love about it is that when she was shooting the film, she literally went off her phone and social media, and like she didn't use her phone for those 6 months or whatever. Like
Damn.
while she was on road shooting, like her phone was not with her to get into that character and to actually feel what she was feeling.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is some real dedication to the role.
Yeah. Yeah.
I genuinely feel like Bollywood actors take it to another notch only.
Yeah.
When they need to become a certain role or play a certain role, they take it to another level.
Like
Even how she came in Rocky and Rani after like a few months of giving birth, and she's dancing in the snow in a sari. Like I can't even dance in the snow in a sari now. I need to train for that for a while.
Yeah.
It's not easy. They really like
No, but
work
there's
towards
something
it.
about Alia Bhatt that's just different
Mm.
from everyone else.
So since we're on this topic, should I give one of my recos? That's the Alia Bhatt movie.
What is it?
It is this movie called Razi. I've seen it so many times. She has acted so well. Like, it doesn't even feel like a movie. After a point, it feels like you're living those emotions. Like, some scenes, I don't know, most of y'all must have watched it.
Yeah,
It's a very
obviously.
popular movie. But in case you haven't, I don't want to ruin anything. But uh, there are some super gruesome scenes, and
Hmm.
usually in a gruesome scene, I would look away. But because it's so, like, you need to see every second of it. Like, your heart is
Yes.
beating with the movie. And at the end of the movie, I've never sobbed so much in a movie. The way I've cried, it is such like a gripping, like, it's an experience. The
Hmm.
whole, watching the whole movie is an experience.
You know, this movie when it came out,
Hmm.
I was not in town. Like I was out of town, and I have this thing that whenever any Alia Bhatt movie comes out, I have to watch it on the first day itself, no matter what happens and where I am. But I was not here, and I was like so mad at myself. I'm like, what do I do? I can't watch it. This, that, this, that. I came back and I watched it on the same day. Like the only Alia Bhatt movie that I've not watched on the first day itself.
Is Razi.
Yeah. Otherwise, all have been on the first day.
Oh shit.
Never broken a streak.
What do you say?
Yes. And it will go on.
And it will go on.
Yeah.
What's your favorite? Oh, you said your favorite Alia Bhatt movie is Highway.
Yeah.
Okay. I also really love Student of the Year.
Student of the Year is
Yeah.
like now you don't get to see such movies. That time maybe when it came out, people were like, oh, it's a time pass movie where you're just singing
No,
and
yaar.
dancing and playing this and playing that.
It's fun.
It's fun. Like Student of the Year 2 was
Bakwas.
not.
And actually, Student of the Year 1 has a lot of low-key life lessons, which are like, because the movie is so fun, I feel like people don't take it as seriously.
Yeah.
But actually, life lessons are there.
Of course.
Lots.
Obviously, that movie literally, like, I mean, those three people, Siddharth Malhotra, Varun Dhawan, and Alia, but I don't think before that anyone has debuted like that. Like, and has actually been there and stuck.
I think also because of that acting debut, I think a lot of actors want to debut with Karan Johar
Yeah.
because of that.
Because of that,
That was so
dreamy
iconic.
Bollywood debut with like Bollywood songs and dance numbers and like a
Yes.
romantic thing.
Yeah, bro, you know what? Like, this is a fact that Hollywood can't do music like Bollywood. Like, the fact that Bollywood movies do like 4-minute dance numbers,
Yes.
and actors are dancing with the craziest stamina, the craziest expressions, like Hollywood could never.
No, but Hollywood movies don't have songs.
Only
Only
background
PG
music.
music. That's so off. Like
Yeah.
I sometimes just go to watch a movie because I like the songs.
Yeah,
And the
same.
songs are like bangers. Even if the songs are banger in the movie shit, I'll still love it.
You know, all T-Series and Saregama music, insane. Best two.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. I want to say, like, if I know that a movie has those
This music,
yeah.
then you're gonna go and watch it. Like there is
sure.
literally a song for every emotion in a Bollywood movie. Something sad is happening, then there's some sad song. Something happy is happening, there's a dance number. Someone's getting married, there's like an emotional song.
Yeah.
Someone's falling in love, they're going to the mountains and dancing in a sari. Wow.
And also, what I find really cool is that in a Bollywood movie, a slow song can also be a happy song.
Yeah.
It's so cool. I love it. I love
Yeah.
it. I love the music. I get damn irritated when people forward the songs.
Who are these people?
There are people, and
Like while
those people
watching,
are
they will.
Yes, yeah, they forward the songs because they don't want to see the dance part and all. And I'm like, bro, that's my favorite part.
Literally.
Okay, since we're on this topic, can I give my next one?
Yeah.
Because there's one very cool fact about this.
Okay.
My next must-watch movie is Dil Dhadakne Do. What a movie! What a movie! Like, I've seen it so many times,
Hmm.
and I never get bored of it. And everything in that movie makes sense, even though it's on a cruise and there's a dog jumping off the cruise into a lifeboat. Still, everything in that movie makes sense. And the fun fact about the music in this is the main song, Galla Gudiya, was a one take.
Yes, I know that.
That's crazy.
Insane.
And when you watch the song, it doesn't look like it. It looks like the camera work is like crazy, the editing is crazy, but it's a one shot of the whole thing, no cuts in the middle. The actors constantly dancing for how long is that song? I don't know.
Yeah,
Don't even know. 5
3,
minutes?
4 minutes.
Crazy, bro.
Yeah. They have I think when they would have practiced like the whole thing at once every time. Like without any cuts. Even if one person makes a mistake, get back to the start and do it. And I think they wanted to do it because they wanted that specific dawn light.
Yeah, I've seen the making of Dil
Yes.
Dhadakne Do on YouTube.
Yes.
And I saw this, the dawn
Yeah,
light,
yeah.
and even the time of the practice now, and they only had a few minutes to get it shot in that light.
Bro, that's mad.
Yeah, and the way it's turned out,
Yeah.
that's actually like since I don't even, when did this movie come out? Years
Maybe
ago.
10, 12, 13
Yeah, and
years
still
back.
that's like a song that will play at every wedding, at every party.
And everyone knows the steps to that song.
Yeah, the whole
Literally
thing.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another movie that I would say is like a must watch, and people might find it cringe or whatever, is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It is so iconic,
I
and
love Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
whenever I watch that movie and whatever part I started from, I can't put it down then. Like
Yeah.
I have to complete it, and the whole thing is like it's very like unrealistic. The whole movie, like now if you watch it, you'll be like, how can that happen?
Yeah.
How can this Anjali again get back with this guy after all of this?
Yeah.
But when you look at it, you just feel like, okay,
So
it can.
cute. Yeah.
Why not? Yeah. And I love all the music,
Yeah.
all the dance numbers. I
Yeah.
love obviously Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. Iconic.
Yeah. But yeah, I think this genre of movies, like the Karan Johar family drama romance, is like so important to Bollywood.
Yeah.
People think it's like not fun, it's cringe, but
No.
that has shaped Bollywood. Family
Of course.
dramas are,
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi
yes,
Gum. Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. Bro.
Kal Ho Na Ho.
Kal Ho Na
All
Ho.
the
I've
mov-
cried so much in Kal Ho Na Ho.
Every time I cry, I just stop the movie like at a certain point, then I can't watch it.
Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
Yeah, I think all movies that start with K are just
Kuch bhi.
yeah.
I feel like, if someone has not watched these movies, I would judge them.
Yeah, they are not a Bollywood person.
No, they are 200% not Bollywood people,
Yeah.
but I don't know, like, so okay, I'll share something. I, till very recently, I know I'm going to get a lot of backlash for this, but I had not watched Harry Potter. Okay. I watched Harry Potter for the first time in 2025. Okay. Crazy, oh my god, how, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Whatever. I watched it, I really liked it. It is thoroughly enjoyable. I fully understand the hype. Okay. But I don't think it's that much of a crime to not watch Harry Potter as it is to not watch Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
Mm.
You have to have seen DDLJ.
Yeah.
Like, what does that say about you and your personality and your
Yeah,
character
yeah.
as a person if you have not seen DDLJ?
You know, I don't think I can relate to people who say that they don't watch Bollywood movies just because it's not their
not
vibe.
cool.
No,
not
it's
cool.
not their vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't, bro. Bollywood songs have literally changed how I think about dance, about music, about art. Like the song when Radha came out, Student of the Year.
Yeah.
First time I saw Alia Bhatt on screen. Before even watching the movie, like first there was no like there was YouTube, but we didn't have access to it. We used to watch songs on 9XM, like wake up in the morning, play songs, and random songs would play, and I would dance in front of the TV on that song. And Radha played there for the first time. I didn't know that this was a movie, Student of the Year. I just saw that song and I went mad. I learned all the steps and I went to the movie, watched it again, kept watching the song on loop. I bought the Student of the Year CD because that time you didn't have Netflix and all
Yeah,
of that.
you have a
So
CD
I had
player.
the physical CD of that, and I
Yeah.
would keep playing and just go watch Radha again and again wherever it played. Go to anyone's wedding, I would dance on Radha. At my school farewell, I performed on Radha.
Wait, what?
Like that song is so special to me. Like I can start dancing right now, step by step, all steps I know.
And the intro of that and her lehenga.
Oh my god.
That intro where she's like,
Go
"Ras
here."
chaiya."
Yes.
Oh my god, you can like literally picture
You know,
it in your head.
there was a wedding around that time only in my family, and I forced my mom that can you please make the lehenga like that.
You had a Radha lehenga?
I didn't have it, but I forced her. Like, my mom is like, where do I get a silver material from? I'm like,
If for my
please.
Sindhi wedding you can wear
Yes,
silver shiny
it's a
Radha
dream, bro,
lehenga.
to wear that lehenga. And I've been seeing people on Instagram do this AI thing where you say, put me into this outfit.
Yeah, and they
people
wear the
are putting the
outfit.
Radha outfit on. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make the real
Wear it
one
for real.
and wear it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Iconic. That's iconic. That song is iconic. That movie is iconic.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
I said na, kuch kuch hota
Oh,
hai.
I'll
Your
say
turn.
mine. Oh my god.
What?
This is my most favorite movie ever. Like it's not a movie anyone would think would be my favorite movie, but it is. And it is Chak De India. I love this movie.
It's many people's favorite movie.
Is it actually?
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, like I don't know, I always thought of myself as
My
a
third
rom-com
one is
person.
very similar to this.
Really?
Yeah, it's like on the same patch, like same
lines.
same genre.
I love Chak De India.
Yeah.
Like when I watch it, the feelings I feel, like weirdly I want to say, for my nation. Also the feeling of a man understanding that women want to win and making them win and rooting for them. Like it's, I don't know, it's an unmatched feeling. Like I always see a woman fighting for a woman, or like a woman making sure
a woman wins in life.
yes, or a woman gets to play, a woman
Yes.
gets to participate. A woman is always the person fighting for women. But for a man to understand that and be like, I will lead the women's team and do it in a way that actually, like, it worked. It
Yeah.
works. Like, that's crazy. And just the acting, the motivational speeches, everything.
Yes.
What a moment.
Can you guess what is mine? Mine is very similar on these lines, related to India, related to sports. It's not MS Dhoni.
Is it 83?
No,
Uh,
it's thoda old. It's Amir Khan.
Ha, Lagan.
It's Lagan. Oh my god, I love it. And in fact, this is a weird thing. I don't know if it makes sense. Lagan was one of the only few movies my mom watched during her pregnancy. Like, she just watched 2 or 3 movies in pregnancy because she couldn't go out. She was bedridden.
Huh.
So this was one of the few movies that she went for or something.
Maybe that's
And
why
it
you
was,
love it so
and
much.
I love it.
Maybe that's why
And
you
I've
love
watched
so
it a
much.
lot in my childhood. So I have like childhood memories watching it with my brother because he loves cricket.
Loves
So he
cricket.
used to tell me this
Maybe
is
he loves cricket because your mom watched Lagan. Bro, possible.
highly possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they're twins, by the way. Sorry. That's
People
why they were.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would make sense.
And that song is from that movie only, na, if I'm not wrong.
What?
Radha kaise na jale.
Oh, I don't
my
know. Is
god.
it?
I love it.
I've danced on this song.
Yes, we have danced. Like, it was a trend.
Gopiyan.
Yes, yes,
Oh, crazy.
And I don't think they make movies like that anymore.
don't.
The
You know-
feeling when you watch only, you get goosebumps and
I don't know if any of these movies like Lagan
Yeah.
or even like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or something, if you watched it today for the first time, I don't know if people would like it. Because I think we love them because of the nostalgic factor.
yeah.
But now cinema has become so quick. Like these are long movies, the story is brewing. You know, like
Yeah.
I love it. I would watch it 10 times.
Yes.
But if someone hasn't seen it, would they be able to watch it today for the first
Like,
time
they
and
wouldn't
enjoy
be able
it?
to sit through it.
Yeah.
They need some.
It's like watching like High School Musical today for the first time. It won't make sense because
Like-
that nostalgic factor is not there.
Yeah. Also, I feel that there was this whole phase, I think, after lockdown, where people started wanting to see real cinema. Like, real stories and, like, not the drama and not the glamorous Bollywood life, but real stories. But I feel after so many years, 4-5 years after lockdown, now we are craving that old Bollywood
Yeah.
again. Like, I'm done. I can watch the real stuff,
Yeah.
but when I go to the movies, I wanna put my brain aside and just enjoy.
Yeah.
Like, I just wanna have fun.
Yeah.
I don't wanna watch something serious where I have to like think something and then be like, oh my god, this was so bad and all. I wanna enjoy. I wanna see like people dancing, people in saris, people getting married. That's what I wanna watch.
That's what Bollywood is actually known for. Like the fantasy that
Yeah,
they create,
yeah.
the colors, the picture, everything. Like I think also recently movies that have done well in Indian cinema are those type of movies because people want that break now. They want the shift in
Yeah.
from like thriller, murder mysteries
Yeah.
to romance again.
And even comedy where you don't have to like take your
Bro,
brain with you.
Bollywood's comedy era
Yeah.
was insane. insane. Like at that time, they even knew how to make a good sequel.
Yeah.
Like Dhoom, Dhoom 2.
Doom 3.
all were good. Even Golmaal.
Yeah. Golmaal 1, 2, 3, 4. All good.
The fourth one, which was that? I don't remember if I liked the fourth one. I don't remember what it was, but I'm not sure.
I'm confused between what was
Which
what.
is which?
I don't know. The one where obviously Kareena Kapoor is there, Ajay Devgan is there, and there are like 4 brothers. Usme se 2, 3 are that's 3. Then
Yeah,
4
till
maybe
3 is good.
Yeah, 4 maybe is
Even
not.
Houseful
4
and
is
Houseful
the
2 is
Pariniti
good.
one. Okay, then it's not.
Oh
it.
no, that one was not nice.
So 3.
Yeah. And Houseful till 2 was
1,
good.
2,
Bus.
even 3. 3 was nice.
Which one was 3?
Was 3 the one with Asin? And
Who's Asin?
that's 2.
Who's Asin?
I know 3 is which. Where the 3 boys have 3 different disabilities and they get
No.
mixed up.
No. That was not good. But I feel like they did it for a while.
Yeah.
Even Hera Fairy, Fir Hera Fairy, fab. I feel like now the comedy game is off.
Yeah.
They
there
need to
hasn't
make
been
better
a good comedy movie.
I actually went for Happy Patel, which was Veerdas's new movie. Quite nice. I want to say quite funny. Like, I was laughing throughout. It was a lot of bullshit, but it was good bullshit. Like, I'm telling you, like Golmaal Dhamal type.
Like, Houseful 5 was so bad. Was so bad.
I don't think I wait, is this Houseful 5A, 5B?
Yes.
Bro, this is a bad
You-
concept. I feel like I'm in school again.
You can't sit through it.
Doesn't it
Horrible.
feel like divisions? Like 5A, 5B?
But there was not. I don't know what difference there was.
The ending was different. It was supposed
How
to
does
be
it make sense? Yeah, then make one movie. Yeah, why should people watch?
different
Yeah.
endings, yeah. But it wasn't good at all.
No, and I don't know why I went for that. Big regret.
But Houseful is something that someone would go for entertainment.
Yeah, because you've watched all, so you just want to keep up and you just want to be like, oh, the first few were so nice, so
Yeah.
something is going to be fun.
But the first few sequels only, na, it's
Yeah.
called, those were good.
Yeah.
Until like 2, 3, they really
But-
killed it.
Houseful 1 is so funny.
Yeah.
Houseful 1 is the best, especially the last scene, the laughing gas scene.
The laughing gas scene is iconic.
Iconic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apart from Bollywood movies, okay, there's other stuff we have grown up with, okay, that has really shaped us. And it has come up in episodes before. Dil Dosti Dance.
Yes, Richie
Bro,
recommends.
what a show. What a movie I was going to say. What a show.
What a show.
I-
Have you watched Shararat?
I don't think, but I've heard of it.
I had a Shararat phase where only Shararat was going on
On TV.
on TV, and my mom still one day asked me, hey, now you don't watch Shararat. I'm like, it's been years, why would I watch Shararat now?
Does Shararat still come on TV?
I'm sure it comes on some like streaming platform, but oh god, I loved it.
Bro, I watched other random shows with my mom. Like, she used to watch Balika Vadhu. So I used
My
to
daddy
watch.
used to watch that.
Bro, all daddies used to
Yeah.
watch Balika Vadhu and Bade Achhe Lagte.
Yes, my
Bro,
whole family used to watch that.
I want to say, when Ram Kapoor from Bade Achhe Lagte Hai came in Student of the Year, that was a moment to remember. Like, I was like, oh shit, his first movie debut. This is crazy.
I'm sure he has done movies before.
Bro, but that was... Has
Like,
he done
because-
movies before?
Yeah, because we were
Oh,
kids,
yeah.
we were like, oh,
We
we
didn't
saw
know.
him here, now we saw
Oh,
him here.
shit. For me, that was his movie debut, so congrats.
Kya Mast Hai Life.
Yes, I used to watch Kya Mast Hai Life. I don't remember much of it, but I
Yeah.
remember I used to watch it.
But all these shows, I think kids today would not enjoy.
No, yeah, the shows now are very different.
Now it's like Disney Channel and all is not the same anymore.
Also, the feeling of watching cable TV is so different. Like, just knowing that you have to tune in at 7 p.m.
Yeah.
to watch Dil Dosti Dance. Like, that feeling
And then
is...
the repeat would like come on a weekend when like
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday come.
all of them used to come together. Yeah.
You couldn't even record an episode or do anything.
I
like that.
remember later on I got that Tata Sky ka recording box and I used to record because then I had exams and my parents would be like, today don't watch. Then I used to record the episode. After the exam, I used to sit and watch.
Yeah, I think as a kid I was a big TV watcher.
Same. I still am.
Yeah, no, but like some kids are not.
Yeah.
Like their parents don't allow them, but my mom would
My mom only wanted to watch TV, so I think she made me watch.
No, like I
so
would
she could
always
watch.
find a way to be in front of the TV.
Yeah.
No matter who is watching, I would sit and watch with
Yeah.
them.
Even growing up, I've watched a lot of cricket with my
Yeah,
dad. I think
yeah.
that's why maybe we watch now
Yeah.
also, because we've been watching since we grew up.
What about reality TV? Like I had a phase where I was hooked to roadies.
I am in that phase now, so I don't know
In
what past phase you're
college,
talking about.
every day or whenever roadies came, I would watch every single episode. I knew what's happening, who is doing what, and I have watched like 3-4 seasons like that back to back.
I haven't seen Roadies.
But now I don't think I'll watch.
Right now, currently, as we speak, I'm watching Spitzvilla. Bro, first of all, you should also watch it because
I-
Saksh has been
but-
on the production team for it.
Yeah.
So if you're not watching it, Saksh,
I'm
you can
telling
see
you, I've
your
watched,
support system.
I've watched Splitsvilla, but before.
No,
Then
this
now I feel it's very different.
this season of Splits you should watch to support Saksh. Bro, she's created all the
Yeah.
tasks and all, which is crazy. Okay, anyway, okay. But I'm watching Splits at the moment. What a ride. I just wish that they could release a new episode every single day. Because once the weekend is over, I don't know what to do with myself.
So it only comes on weekend.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I had never watched Splits before this,
Yeah.
weirdly. Usually people watch in their teen years. But I watched last to last
Yeah.
year, there was a season, I think. I watched it for the first time. And I was like, what the hell is this stupidity?
How is it real?
I was like, this is insane. I have to watch it. And the way they fight, the drama that happens, like I used to always be like a too hot to handle, perfect match type of reality gal, you know?
Yeah, we've spoken about that.
Yeah, but Splits, bro.
Is it actually not scripted?
It's not scripted. So, okay, my friend, she worked on the production team for Splitsvilla for this season. And she was gone for like 2 months filming for Splits and stuff. Very cool experience for her. But I got a lot of tea from her. It's not scripted.
The real tea, like are
The
these
real
people
in-house-
actually fighting?
And actually, like, a lot of it she hasn't told me yet because she doesn't want to ruin it for me. Like, I don't want any spoilers. I want to experience it as the show is going. So once it's done, she'll tell me more. But
Oh.
like, when I thought it was scripted.
Yeah, because I mean, how can people fight so much?
Bro, they do because they want fame. They want, like, even I remember from the previous season, the people that were most jhagralu types, they like
They
gained the most from it. Post
like
Splits,
followers
they got like
and fame and
yeah, and like the more you fight, then the more camera screen time you get. Then like
Would
the
you
more the
ever-
audience likes you or hates you.
Would you ever?
Yeah, I could not go on it. I just like watching it from a distance. I could never go on it.
Okay, tell. What is
Huh.
one reality TV show that you would go on if you get an offer?
Bro.
Like something that maybe is like, chal, this is doable. For sure, not Big
Indian
Boss.
reality TV only.
Yeah. Not Big Boss, not Khatro Ke Khiladi. Too scared. Can't do that.
Not Roadies
Splitsvilla, Not
also.
Roadies. What
Yeah.
is left?
Uh,
You know what?
what?
Traitors.
I found it damn boring, bro.
What? You didn't like
It
it?
was like mafia, bro. It felt like, we go on these road trips and we go to Kamshet and we go for like all these trips for like New Year's and some birthdays and all. And this is the exact same thing, I'm not even kidding, that we play on the dining table sitting there. It's the most time pass game. Like, I don't know why they made a show out of it.
Bro, it was too good. I loved it.
No, like it was entertaining, yeah, but I
Yeah.
didn't think it had to
And
be a
like
show.
how the what people do and how they switch and how they like hide, like
I would have liked to see more of like what was happening inside the house.
then watch Big Boss.
I used to watch Big Boss as a kid. I haven't seen it recently, but I used to watch it when I was younger.
I used to watch it as a kid, then I stopped and I just watched the last season. It was actually too good.
The last season.
I was hooked.
She was downloading episodes. We were coming back from Thailand and she was downloading episodes
I was
to watch on
actually
flight.
like I was like scared to say it out loud that I'm hooked to Big Boss.
That was me with Splitsvilla. Last time, the first time I was watching Splitsvilla, I didn't tell anyone. I was like, no one should know. I will watch on my iPad in the room quietly. But now I'm like, fuck it, bro. It's fine. I'm so enjoying. So then what should I hide?
Yes.
It is fun. Please watch Splits if you're not watching. And then DM me. We can talk about it. I feel like this one area of Bollywood that is not Bollywood but is considered Bollywood, like Bollywood vibes.
Hmm.
And Dining with the Kapoors. Like it's not direct, like it's not a Bollywood movie.
Yeah, but it's like kind of like BTS of
Even
their
that
lives.
moving with what is
What?
it? Moving in with Malaika.
Haha, moving. Yeah.
Is
yeah,
it Moving in with
yeah, yeah,
Malaika?
something like that.
Like
Bollywood vibes is still good.
yeah, it's entertaining.
bingeable, it's entertaining.
Remember we met them?
We went for this event for Bollywood vibes. Like
Yeah.
it was some trailer launch or some show launch or
Yeah.
something, and we went there. And guess who we met there? This is
Seema
another-
Taparia.
From Indian Matchmaking.
Yeah, that was and we met her husband also. Yeah, he was there and he said that click a picture with her and put it on your story. What?
I
You
don't
remember?
remember. But
What?
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But Indian Matchmaking, oh my god.
Iconic.
Too good. When it first came out, I don't think there was anything like that
Like
in
that, no.
Hindi.
Like, even if I have a boyfriend, but Seema Taparia finds me a boy, I'll be like, it is an honor. I will get married.
You will meet the guy.
I'll be the guy. Bro, just for vibes, like Seema Taparia's Rishta, who can say no?
Yeah, impossible.
I don't think.
I don't know. Is there a new season or something?
I don't know, but there should be.
There should be.
It was very iconic. That show was so fun.
And people had literally like there was this one guy in the show that they show, and like they showed his house, they show where he stays and all, and people literally went over there and tried to find him.
Is it that Bombay guy
Yeah.
who's really close to his mom and his mom made all the decisions?
And he lives in South Bombay.
yeah. I think
This
we
guy's
talked about
house is
this.
like visible from the main road.
Oh,
So people
people found it and went there?
yeah.
That's crazy, yeah. But yeah, okay, anyway, back to Bollywood wives and stuff. Quite a roller coaster of a journey to watch them, I
Hmm.
want to say. That reality TV seems scripted.
For sure.
It seems extremely scripted.
No one lives like that.
No, I feel like they might live like that, but some of the things they say are quite unhinged.
And yeah.
And them trying to go on a trip in like, like the desert
desert.
or like anything, I don't know. It
And
gives like
Ori
Sex in
showing
the
up
City.
everywhere
Yeah.
in that show.
All of their guest appearances
Hmm.
are their children only.
Yeah.
They haven't managed only to get anyone else. All their guest
And
appearances are their children.
Gauri Khan
And Gauri Khan,
in
yeah.
the last
The
episode. or
fifth
something.
wife. Yeah,
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
basically the fifth wife.
Yeah,
only
and
in the
how
show.
they all are like behaving with her. They
Yeah.
try to suck up to her. I mean, even Bollywood people have to.
Yeah.
Like,
Maybe like they're actually showing it as the reality of Bollywood.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
yeah.
never know.
but all the other shows like Dining with the Kapoors,
I didn't like it at all.
even I didn't like it. Roshans.
Yeah. I didn't even
I
watch
didn't even
Roshan's.
watch it. It
Yeah.
didn't look only like something I want to
Yeah.
watch. It didn't look attractive.
Yeah, after the Romantics, I feel like everyone's trying to make a Bollywood docu-series about their family to
Yeah.
hype the family up. But if you want to hype the family up, you need to talk about something other than ghee in your food. Like, I don't know, like,
Or
why?
if you want to hype your family up, you need to make a movie that is something that people will watch and
Yeah.
like.
I'm fine with a documentary. Honestly, like a documentary with Kareena Kapoor, Karishma Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor. How can you go so wrong?
They could have done something insane with it.
They could have, yeah.
Like, imagine Keeping Up with the Kapoors.
Yeah.
That would have been so iconic.
I feel like that would have been reaching a little bit. Because then that feels like they're trying to
Copy.
imitate. Yeah.
Yeah. No, but if you look at it, they are that family.
Yeah,
They
true.
could like pull it off fully.
I get, I don't know, I feel like I get super attached to characters in movies and shows, right? So, say when I saw Kareena Kapoor as Geet in Jab We Met, right?
Yeah.
That was my vision of Kareena Kapoor. Like when I saw her face, I thought of Geet. For like literally, I
longest
want to say,
time.
yeah, a couple of years of my life, I was like, oh my god, Geet. Like, that was the vibe. And then sometimes, like even now that happens to me. And then sometimes I'll see like a random pap video or something and she's absolutely not Geet. And I know that they're playing a character and she is an actor and that's the whole point. I get it. But as an audience, I get super attached to the character. Like those traits like stick with me.
For me, it was not Geet, but it was Pooh. I keep
Yeah.
seeing her as Pooh only.
Yeah.
Wherever she goes, she's so bougie, she's so moody, she's so like in her world, she doesn't care. It's like Pooh.
But she
Who
is
is her?
actually kind of like Pooh. Like I
Yeah.
see the resemblance with her in
Yeah,
real life
yeah.
also.
Bro, have you seen the videos of her just being like influencer? Like, yeah, bro, this is how you should be.
Yeah,
Like your
so-
real personality. I don't think
Yeah.
all Bollywood actors show their real personality.
No, obviously they're very PR trained. Like they
Yeah.
can't say all the shit that we say on the board. They can't say all that.
But she's very, I feel, real. She is how
I
she
don't
is.
think anyone is real.
Yeah.
No, I don't think they can be. I don't think they have the ability to be so real on camera.
They would be cancelled left, right, and center.
For sure, they would be cancelled. Or like, I feel like that thing is there now where like you think of them as like your hero
Hmm.
or like the person you look up to. Like that is tough when you're like extremely real because they can't say everything that they're thinking.
Yeah.
In my opinion, maybe they are real. Maybe we're just judging too much and we don't know.
What do you feel about them being papped?
Hmm.
And nowadays people are doing this thing where they promote things with paparazzi.
Yeah, it's damn
Like
real.
I've seen this one video where someone is walking out of the airport or whatever and is purposely like dropping the sunscreen from their pocket on the floor, picking it up and then be like, oh, what is this? I don't know what is this. And then the pap is asking him, ye kya hai? Ye kya hai? And then he's like, arey, ye mera sunscreen hai. No, bro. It's going too far, I feel, the pap culture.
Yeah, that is crazy. You know, also one thing I hate, which is unrelated to this, it's pap related, but like when a new movie or song is releasing and they pay the paps to use that song on all the reels.
Whatever it is, the song is playing.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can see also that from the last 3 days, the paps are only using that song and they post like, I want to say 8, 10, 15, 20 times a day.
Way more, for sure.
Yeah. And all of them has the same song. I'm like done with the song before I even listen to it like in the theater. I can't anymore.
That day I was at Boca and there was one Bollywood
Who?
actress.
Who? What? You can say, bro.
No, I don't want to say.
Okay.
There was a Bollywood actress and she was super chill and she was sitting having her coffee with someone, chilling, blah blah blah. Then there was no one outside the cafe. No one. The moment she walked out, these paps came in. They were like flashing lights and the light was so harsh it was coming till inside the cafe. Then she went in for 1 second, like set herself up and went out again, did a few poses and then in like I would say 30 seconds the paps left. So it was just like that much. And I don't think like I think she knew she was ready for that moment.
She must have called them.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how I feel also about people calling the paps and then being like, अरे आप क्यों आए यहाँ पे?
आपको किसने बुलाया?
आपको कैसे पता चला कि मैं
यहाँ
यहाँ?
पर-
And the paps be like, हमें तो आपका गाड़ी का नंबर पता है. Like,
So are they actually following the cars?
This is crazy. Yeah, that means there's some paps all over the area. Then they keep
Yeah.
following.
And they keep telling कि इधर बैंड्रा में ये है तो
हाँ, सब
आप-
लोग आ जाओ. And they drop the chappal and then they'll be
Yeah.
like, कौन अच्छा है जो हमें चप्पल देगा? I'm like, bro, this is some
What
nonsense.
chappal?
Bro, yeah, you haven't seen these videos.
Fabs drop a chappal.
Paps, like suppose they are recording them, right? They leave their chappal behind. And they'll see like which actor is telling them that like, oh, your chappal, are you okay? Like, please take your chappal. Like, they wait for a reaction from the actor.
I think I've seen Alia Bhatt react to a chappal.
Yeah. When she
Yes.
was getting into a car,
Yes.
I watch a lot of pap videos. You ask me anything about a pap video, I'll tell you. That's how I decide where to go to eat also. See, all the actors choose very good food places to go to in Bandra. So wherever they come out of,
You go there.
you go and eat there. The food is actually
Why
good.
is it always
Like
Bandra?
Mizu, a lot of, because they live around there, na, Bandra. But Mizu, not overrated at all. Damn good food. I know this is
Rated.
not about food, but genuinely.
Even bougie.
Bougie, oh, I love, please, hello, I love bougie.
Yeah.
I love bougie.
Yeah.
So I just feel like, yeah.
Farmers Cafe, you'll see them. You'll see
Yeah,
some
but
of them.
Farmers Cafe is a little too healthy for my liking. It's good though. It's good. Maybe you like it. Yeah, let's play a game.
Okay, sure.
Cool, let's go.
Oh, this is a tough game. Guys, today's game is very difficult. Invented
We don't even
by
need our phone.
Riya Gurnani. So, do you want to explain your game?
Yes. So basically, have you all seen that trend where someone, like two people are playing and both people say one letter? Say I say a letter and Kanchi says a letter at the same time, and then you have to think of a word that starts with my
that-
letter and ends with Kanchi's letter, for example.
And
Okay.
you have to say it out loud.
Yeah, you have to say it out loud.
But as is
So-
going to be a Bollywood edition. So
Yeah.
any song, any movie, any actor, any Bollywood reference, whatever it is.
Any character, any Bollywood
Yeah.
reference. So it has to start with one letter and end with
So
one letter.
I'm going to say the starting letter and you're going to say the ending letter. Okay.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. P.
E.
P and E.
E.
Um.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Nadan Parinde. Oh no, that's not. Parinde is P and E, na.
That's
not wrong.
why, girl. That's
Oh
why.
shit.
Anyone want to give help?
Is this a song Papa To Band Bajaye? Is that also Y or is that E? Bajaye. It's
E.
E at the end.
But is that the song's name? Papa to band
Bajaye.
Yes.
It is? Yes, let's go. I was thinking of Houseful. It's from Houseful, na?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go
3,
again.
2, 1.
M. Abbe.
I didn't get a word.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
L.
C.
C and L.
That's impossible.
Why would you say C? What is C? C
What is that?
and
I know. I'm not getting the word in my head. No, it doesn't end with L.
What?
There are words with C, but they don't end with L. No, it ends with O. This game is very bad.
Say something with C and L. Yeah. Starting with C is tough.
It's not tough. There are words that start with C, but they don't end with L.
What starts with C?
Chalte, chalte, chale, chalo. That chammak chalo.
Chammak challo.
Chandaniya. Chaya, chaya. See, there's so much, but it doesn't end with L.
Okay, should
Chumma,
we do,
chumma.
should we do another round?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Should I say the ending word?
No, do na.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. R.
A.
Ramaya Vastavaya.
Crazy.
Okay. Okay. 3. Wait, let me think of a letter. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
D.
H. H and D.
Humdard is a song.
Whoa! Sick. That was too good.
That's a song, yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Okay,
Okay. 3, 2, 1. I.
I and E. Oh shit. What?
Ishaqzadeh.
That is crazy. No, that was too good. That was too good.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we are getting the
We're getting
hang of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's hard. Huh? It's
It's
not easy.
hard. Try.
It's not as easy as we are making it look.
Okay. Let me think. I think I'm thinking of good letters.
Just play the game. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
O.
N. Let's do it.
O. N and O.
That doesn't end with O.
Nazm Sahneri.
No entry doesn't end with O.
I think no entry is fair.
Nadan
the
Parinde
first
doesn't end with O. No, that doesn't. Let's Nacho doesn't end. Nacho ends with. Nacho ends with you.
No, let's do another.
Think, is there something?
No, na. Everyone is thinking.
I got it. I'm the winner. Namo.
What song is that?
Namo
What movie?
Namo Ji
Shankara. Yeah, yes! Nice. Good one. Okay.
Cool. Chal.
One more last. Or like
I'll
3
give
more.
you
How many do we do? 2 more.
2 more.
Okay, fine.
3, 2, 1. K. कुछ होता है. No, it ends with I.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Yes. K is very easy.
K and A both are easy.
Yeah,
That was
yeah,
a good combo.
Last one.
Okay.
We both got equal answers, right?
Yeah.
I think.
No, I don't know. No one's
No
kept
one
tab.
kept
Chal na both of us
Yeah.
won. It's a tough game. Okay. Let's do it. Let's make the last one difficult.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Y. P and Y?
Nadan Parinde is again not. No, that ends with N. You know that?
Why am I only thinking of Piku? Like whatever the letters are, I'm only thinking.
It ends with N, na? Ponniyin Selvan. The Aishwarya Rai
Oh,
South
damn,
movie.
girl.
Why is that in the movie? There has to be. There is. I'm sure. Yeah. There
I mean, I think there is. You got it?
No. It ends
Abhi?
with H. Pati Patni aur wo.
No, but there's no why in
I'm
that.
just thinking random things from
Okay,
P.
wait. Am I thinking of very specific movies? Like the only few movies in my head are Piku and Kambakt Ishq and like very random shit.
Is there some actor or someone?
Whose name ends with Y? Pandey. No, that's not fair. Pandey, some chunky Pandey. Oh, no, that was never C and Y.
I have a word, but I need a word.
Say the word.
The word is party. Party. But something has to, it should be something, na? It's not a thing. Guys, we don't know your comment if there's something from P that starts with P and ends with Y, some
Y.
Bollywood thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This episode was fun.
I loved it.
This game was also fun. It was challenging for a
Good
change.
game. I think we should play this game in like different formats for different episodes. Like different themes.
Now 5 minutes ago she was like terrible game and all. Now she's like we should play this game
because we learned how to play it.
Yes, we're pros now. I said that we didn't even think of the answer.
Yeah, we just guys, we're not gonna do Richie recommends in this episode.
Because we recommended so much stuff.
Yeah.
Also, do you want to give like a random shout out to a few movies? Like some
Sure.
movies that like maybe didn't come up because how do we talk about so many?
You know what? Ladies versus Ricky Bell.
Oh, I just
Sick.
rewatched that movie last week.
Yeah, na?
Yeah. Ladies vs. Ricky Bell, Bachna Hasino, Three Idiots, all such good movies. I love Three Idiots. What else? Like
Do you like
random-
Kapoor and Sons? It's a very debatable
I do. It's a
thing.
little sad. Like I feel like majority of the movie is sad, which is a little putting off.
Yeah.
That's not the vibes it gives. I also love Sher Shah.
It's
I
a
had
good movie.
Sher Shah era where I was like,
I'm thinking of something. I don't think any Alia Bhatt movie is underrated.
must be
It's always
something.
rated or overrated.
It's always rated.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's
true.
no underrated Alia Bhatt movie.
True.
There are bad Alia Bhatt movies, but there is no underrated.
Yeah.
Like who has even watched Sadak 2? Do you even know that's an Alia Bhatt
No.
movie? Paloma has watched it.
I haven't seen.
It came in lockdown. It came
really?
online, I think, yeah.
Yeah, so I guess that's
It's not underrated, it's just bad. Sorry, Alia Bhatt. I love you.
Gangubai deserves a shout out, I think.
That's iconic.
Yeah, that's very iconic. Even that that part of Gangubai was shot in one take.
Dolida,
One
the
take,
song,
one
the
shot.
last take.
Hmm.
I think we spoke about this.
We have somewhere
in
at
the
some point.
episode.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, now we've spoken so much that we don't even know what to talk about because we feel like we've already spoken about everything.
Like whenever we discuss something, we're like, oh, we said that in that episode.
We've
Oh,
said
we that.
everything in some episodes, so
Yeah.
it's very difficult to come up with options. But before we end this episode, I just want to say that we have been drinking, just ignore my lip gloss,
Gotti matcha.
and Itara coffee. And
Completely non-sponsored.
Yeah, completely non-sponsored, but we love you. Like every time we come to set,
We
Kanchi
order.
orders Gotti, I order Tara, and it's
So,
so
like,
good.
if y'all wanna sponsor, why not?
Yeah, feel free to be our title sponsor.
Okay, that was our episode. We hope you enjoyed. We love recommending stuff. Y'all already know that by
Yeah,
now.
and we take recommendations very seriously.
Yeah.
So please watch everything we've recommended if you have
And
not already.
we will see you. No, sorry.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube. Please subscribe. Listen to us on Spotify and
And we will see you same time, same place next week. Bye bye.